Hey everyone, welcome to my new video blog. So what I'm wearing the logo head, um, the logo head of Alex, and I'm wearing eyelashes from Leta. Um, what can I say? Like it's called Diamond Lashes. He sells it. The skin also from Leta. It's called Bianca. It's a new release, so really need to get and to check it out. I'm wearing for eye makeup. I'm wearing Bianca number 2, the eyeshadow, and the Bianca lipstick number 6. I really love brows and stuff. Skin looks awesome. For my eyes, I will give you a little preview. So the eyes are from Just Magnetize. It's a basic eyes set 02. It's at a showroom that you can find it. For what I'm wearing, so I'm wearing this hair from Truth called Polilla, and it's available at Uber. So you really need to check it out because there are really nice stuff from other designers too. I'm also wearing this top. It's a top of Sinful, and it's a new release. It's called Hey Bay Top, just so you can see. Um, then we have this nice pants. It's an old release, but I really like it. Um, it's from Delirium Style, and it's at the main store, so you just can check it there. Um, I need to fix something after. Um, for the shoes, I'm wearing rain shoes. It's called Pamela Pumps, and it's available at Uber. They're really nice. I just need to fix the other one, but you really need to go check it out. To tell you where I am, I'm at Kilo, and Kilo is a nice sim to make pictures and stuff. As you can see, nice stuff. Some things aren't dressed yet, but it's really a nice sim. You can go check it out. Um, I hope you enjoyed my video blog, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye.